Welcome back to another video. We have two basic commands to join and explode. Simply write J and select the objects. Join command allows you to connect lines, arcs, and polylines to create seamless paths and closed shapes. Next up, the explode command, and to explode enter X and select the objects. When you need to break down complex objects or components into their individual elements. Whether it's a block, polyline, or hatch pattern, explode dismantles them into their basic components. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials and tips. Happy drafting!